What's up guys, Boule de Yann Motor. We are in Bonelli, Bali. So today we are going to try the Motobi 200 Evo. Look at this little motorcycle, 200cc, a small little cruiser. I was looking for the key, but here she is. So first, what do we have in here? A very nice little odometer. We're gonna have to easy benzene. Kill switch, starting button, right turning sign, left turning sign, klaxon, high beam, low beam. Okay. So first impression, very low bike. Really my feet are easy on the ground. So it's the principle of the turning sign of Harley Davidson. If I want to turn left, I have to press one time. And if I want to stop it, I have to press it again. We're gonna put some gas. The neutral is very easy to find. Really like, for now, what I can say, I like the finishing of it, the way they finish it. It's very nice finishing. A little radiator for the oil. Otherwise it's an air-cooled engine. There's two disc brake, front and rear. So as you can see, the seat is very low. Good handle for the pillion. Nice suspension as well. So this bike is what, 293 kilometers. We have, oh, that's the total odo, 293. The trip, 293, and odo. Okay, we're gonna put the trip at 0. Okay. Ready to roll? Yeah. Ready to roll? Yeah. There is a good torque. And the position, as you can see, my feet are open. Yeah, that's easy rider position, man. Very easy and very nimble in the traffic to filter. Even if I'm tall, I'm 180 centimeters for 84 kilo. For sure the position is a bit like my legs are a bit too much up because I'm too tall for this bike. I will say that it's a very, very nice cruiser because the comfort of it is quite good. I mean, is even excellent for, I mean, considering the price of the bike. And she cruises very easily. Chassis is very good as well. Oh, I think, okay, it's a 5th gear, maybe 5 gear. So as it's a brand new bike, I'm not gonna try the top speed on it. I mean, I'm not gonna push it too much, it's brand new. Whoa, suspension, very pleasant. Suspension and seats, guys, very good. Okay. I wanted to see how much RPM we had at 100 km per hour, which will give me an idea of how much he can get. I like the sonority of the engine and the exhaust as well. I'm laughing because when you downshift, it happened to me 2 times. I broke the rear wheel. The Ducati got upset. We don't have to get upset because we cruise with a cruiser. Yeah, I like the sound of the exhaust on that bike. Man, what are you carrying on your Scoopy? 3 water dispenser. So rear brake, okay. Front brake, meh. Meh. But behavior of the bike, I really like it. Man, the suspension and the seats, they are exceptional on that bike. Look at that, it's so comfortable. Ah shit, we cannot anymore. Nggak bisa lagi? Nggak bisa lewat situ? Oke, makasih Pak. Sorry. Nggak apa-apa. So we cannot use that road to go to GWK anymore. I will say that the front brake is getting better by using it, because as this bike is brand new, maybe that's what I feel on that brake. The lack of biting is because maybe she's brand new. The disc has to be brake in, just like the engine. Ngapain? Nggak bisa? Pak, kalau mau ke GWK gimana?
GWK, ini yang di apa? Ada baliho biru itu belok kiri.
Iya, tapi tadi boleh atau enggak? Karena orang bilang jalan terus.
Oh, karena ada tamu, lagi ada tamu.
Tapi bisa atau enggak?
Bisa. Nanti belok kirinya sana.
Oke, makasih Pak.
Oke.
Yeah, like usual, the information is not clear. We wanted to go to GWK. The people, they say, you cannot because there is the IMF. And now actually you can go. This is completely ridiculous. You know what, Bali? I'm so ashamed that your organization is not clear. Either you say we can go to GWK or we cannot. But you have to be clear in what you want. Like usual, you see the police before, like they're excited. Oh, the motorcycle, you cannot go. I mean, what is going on? I mean, get your shit together, Bali. It's not because you have a couple of guys that from the bank that are coming in Indonesia that you have to freak out.
Calm yourself down. Take a deep breath in, out, and say, I'm fine. I can do this.
I really like the quality of build of this little cruiser. Benelli, you are getting better and better. So what do I think about the Moto B Evo cruiser compared to the Moto B 200 FE that I was trying last time? I think I prefer this one. I like the little cruiser style. I like the chassis of this bike. I like the behavior. I like the suspension. The seat is very, very comfortable of this bike. Those are the features that I really appreciate about it. I liked also the dashboard compared to the previous version. It was very nice. I like the fact that you have a disc at the rear. I like the sound. Benelli is well known to have motorcycles that make a very nice sound. The only flaw that I found on that bike was the position, the sitting position, I mean the riding position for me. I'm too tall for that bike. So I guess it would be better if you are below 170, I mean around, maximum height, I guess 170 centimeter high. Because otherwise you will be a bit cramped, a bit like a frog on it. It's funny to say frog for a French guy. And that's what I will say that I dislike, and I dislike the front brake. But I guess it will get better with the time. I mean, the feeling is not so nice. Otherwise, I really appreciate that bike, and I would advise it. Do I doyan this motor? Yes, I doyan this bike, and I will recommend it if you want to buy a cheap cruiser, good quality finishing. You can see also how you lock the handlebar. And then I really like the Odo. It's complete. I mean, I would love to have a gear indicator. That's the only thing that is missing on that dashboard. But it's really better than the one on the previous version. And you know what, guys? It's very funny. It's even better than the Honda Rebel 500. I mean, Honda, come on. Honda, you could have... look at what Benelli did. They did a circle dashboard, and it's plain, it's beautiful. I don't understand on the Rebel, the Honda, they did something like that, and just a little bar in here. I don't understand that. So that's it for this review of the Moto B 200 Evo. I really doyan that bike, and I will advise you to buy one if you can. A lovely little toy. See you guys. Bye-bye. Like usual, like it if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it, subscribe if you want to, do whatever you want. You are free. See you. Bye-bye.